Hi friends, welcome to our channel Ram Invented Tech. In this video, we are discussing about how to control the servo motor by using web server with ESP8266 microcontroller. So why the delay? Let's get into the video. Required components for this project. First we have to install these libraries. I already installed this. Next here, we have to give our own Wi-Fi name and password. Select the port and ESP8266 next NodeMCU port. Now click on the upload button. The code was uploaded. Now open the serial monitor. I am connecting my mobile to the Wi-Fi. Wait until the node MCU connected to your Wi-Fi. After that, it will show the IP address in your serial monitor. Copy the IP address and paste it on your mobile browser. It is printing the output status. Now I am controlling the servo motor by using this web server. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.